For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a CNC, computer numerical control, machine business can be a lucrative venture in manufacturing, prototyping, and custom fabrication. CNC machining is highly precise and widely used across industries like automotive, aerospace, electronics, and more. Leveraging free AI tools can significantly reduce startup costs, streamline planning, and improve decision-making. This guide walks you through a step-by-step process to launch a CNC machine business using free AI resources, from business planning to marketing and operations. Step 1. Conduct market research and feasibility analysis. Before investing in equipment and space, it's essential to understand your target market and validate the business idea. Use AI-powered research tools to gather data on market demand, competition, and customer needs. One effective tool is ChatGPT, which can help you analyze industry trends and generate a market analysis report. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Create a detailed market research report for a CNC machining business targeting small to medium manufacturing companies in the United States. Include current demand, key competitors, pricing trends, and growth opportunities. Additionally, use free web-based tools like Google Trends to explore search interest in CNC machining services and Google Keyword Planner to identify keywords potential customers use when searching for CNC machining. Step 2. Develop a comprehensive business plan. A well-structured business plan is crucial to outline your objectives, operational model, and financial projections. You can use ChatGPT to draft a business plan framework quickly and then customize it to your specific needs. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Write a detailed business plan for a CNC machining startup, including executive summary, business model, services offered, target market, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections for the first 3 years. For financial modeling and budget planning, AI-powered spreadsheet templates like Google Sheets integrated with AI add-ons, such as OpenAI Power Extensions, can assist in creating dynamic financial projections and cash flow statements. Step 3. Choose your CNC machines and technology. Selecting the right CNC machines is critical. Use AI to compare different CNC machine models based on features, prices, and user reviews. ChatGPT can help summarize the pros and cons of various CNC machines tailored to your intended applications, e.g., milling, turning, laser cutting. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Compare the top 5 CNC milling machines suitable for a small business startup focusing on precision metal parts manufacturing. Include price range, capabilities, maintenance needs, and recommended suppliers. Additionally, AI-based product review aggregators and YouTube AI-generated video summaries can save time by condensing expert reviews and user feedback. Step 4. Define your service offering and pricing strategy. Your CNC business may offer prototyping, custom parts manufacturing, small batch production, or repair services. Use AI tools to analyze competitor pricing and customer expectations. ChatGPT can generate pricing models based on industry standards and your cost structure. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Create a pricing strategy for a CNC machining business offering prototyping and custom manufacturing services. Consider factors such as machine operation costs, materials, labor, and market rates. You can also use free AI tools like Canva with AI-powered design features to create professional pricing brochures and service catalogs. Step 5. Build a brand identity and marketing plan. Strong branding and targeted marketing are essential to attract clients. Use AI-powered branding tools such as Loca or Hatchful. Both have free tiers to design logos and brand assets. For marketing plans, ChatGPT can create detailed strategies incorporating digital marketing, social media, SEO, and offline networking. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Develop a marketing plan for a CNC machining startup targeting local manufacturers and hobbyists. Include online and offline tactics, content ideas, SEO keywords, social media strategies, and a budget outline. AI content creation tools like Jasper, free trial available, or ChatGPT can help generate website copy, blog posts, and social media content quickly, keeping your marketing consistent and engaging. Step 6. Set up your business operations. Plan your workshop layout, sourcing of raw materials, and workflow processes. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to create operational manuals and standard operating procedures. For inventory management, explore free inventory tracking software with AI capabilities like Zoho Inventory's free plan or Inflow Cloud trial versions. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Write a standard operating procedure for quality control in a CNC machining workshop, including machine calibration, inspection protocols, and safety measures. Step 7. Build an online presence. Create a professional website to showcase your services and capture leads. Use AI website builders like Wix's ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, or Zyro, which offer free plans and help build responsive sites with minimal technical skills. Integrate AI chatbots, such as Tidio or Chatbot.com's free tier to handle customer inquiries automatically. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Write SEO-optimized homepage content for a CNC machining company that emphasizes precision, reliability, and quick turnaround times. Step 8. Network and find clients. Use AI to identify potential clients and create outreach strategies. LinkedIn's AI-powered sales navigator tools can help find manufacturing companies in your area. ChatGPT can draft cold emails and follow-up messages tailored for different client segments. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Compose a professional cold email to introduce CNC machining services to small manufacturing companies, highlighting quality and competitive pricing. Step 9. Learn and optimize continuously. Stay updated with the latest industry trends and improve your skills. Free AI learning platforms like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy use AI to personalize your learning path. Use ChatGPT as a tutor to understand complex CNC programming concepts or troubleshoot issues. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Explain the basics of G-code programming for CNC machines, including common commands and best practices. Step 10. Manage finances and scale. Use AI-driven bookkeeping software like Wave, free, or ZipBooks, free plan, to track income and expenses effortlessly. ChatGPT can assist in preparing financial reports and identifying cost-saving opportunities. When ready to scale, AI-powered market analysis tools can help evaluate expansion options and new service areas. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Generate a financial summary report for a CNC machining business after the first year, highlighting profitability, expenses, and growth potential. Conclusion. Starting a CNC machine business today is more accessible than ever with the help of free AI tools that can guide you through research, planning, marketing, and operations. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.